Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. So here I am back with your English class. So today, students, I will give you the evaluation 2 syllabus of English. So just you can take your pathway book. You can take out your pathway book, this book, and the page is about content. You can take this page contents or you can write in your copy. So I am giving you the evaluation 2 syllabus of English. The first one is use of on, in and under. Use of on, in and under. This page number 35. Okay. Then use of in and up, page number 36. Use of this and that, page number 37. So use of on, in and under, page number 35. Use of in and up, page number 36. Use of this and that, page number 37. Then come birthday celebration. Birthday celebration, page number 47. Then happy birthday to you. This is a song. Page number 48. Then comes short sentences to show the opposite. Opposites, page number 52. Okay. Now I am rubbing this topic. Describe the picture. There. Describe the picture, page number 54. Then again describe the picture, page number 55. There is one more left. Try to answer. Try to answer, page number 53. Okay. is for this is for this. Describe the page number 55. Then the story, the last one is the hare and the hare and the tortoise. This is page number 56. This is a story. So again I'm reading out the syllabus for you all. Use of in, use of on, in and under, page number 35. Use of in and up, page number 36. Use of this and that, page number 37. Birthday celebration, page number 47. Happy birthday to you song, page number 48. Opposites, page number 52. Try to answer, page number 53. Describe the pictures, page number 54. Describe the picture, page number 55. The hare and the tortoise story, page number 56. So my dear students, this is your evaluation 2 syllabus, and follow the videos which follow the activities which we have done in the class. So this is the syllabus I have given you. I know you will do your best for your evaluation. So for that, all the best to all my loving students. So for today, the class ends over here. Thank you and bye-bye.